But yes, this is really strange. Oh, this is really beautiful. Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I have more from Afnan. I have heard a lot of stories and a lot of influencers. They think that these are amazing and things like that. So let's find out whether these are really amazing or not. So it is Afnan perfume discovery set. Today we are going to explore Turathi Electric. Okay, so let's open this. So here is the set and we are going to review this one, this blue, sky blue, Turathi blue, electric blue, and let's find out what it has. So I really love this box. This discovery box is amazing, and let's get out. So this is the notes breakdown. I really love how they have added this notes breakdown over here for all the different perfumes. Turathi Electric Blue. So top notes are bergamot, lavender, pink, grapefruit, apple, cedarwood, middle notes, and base notes vanilla and amber. So I'm going to spray it on the paper. It is like kind of like sweet, light, fruity citrus start, but there is something light, balsamic and airy about it. It is very airy in the start, and I'm smelling popcorns. Oh, so it is like sweet caramel popcorns. I'm not sure. I think it should not be here, but yes, this is really strange. Light popcorn, like cheese, like if you burn the popcorns in the oven, there is a smell. Overall, this is really nice. This is a nice perfume. Let's spray it on my hand and see if I get the same result. Very lovely. This is a very lovely perfume. Elegant, light, sweet, light blue, fresh, with some, like some maturity in it. Oh, this is really beautiful. This reminds me of a little bit of Elysium. So Roja Elysium, it has fruits, it has sweetness, it is sensual, it has muskiness. All these elements are present in this one. Now it is getting more musky, sweet, light, sensual kind of perfume. I really love the top notes, but right now it is almost in the middle. I am not getting any popcorn or caramel kind of note which is present in the paper. On skin, it is a decent perfume. It is kind of like sweet, airy, musky citrus perfume that is, I think it is going to be safe blind buy. There is something, a hint of something that is irritating my nerves and my nostrils, and a little bit getting a headache triggered somewhere in the back of my head. It has some light bubblegum kind of, very light, very dim kind of bubblegum kind of sweetness in it somewhere that is present in 9 p.m. Rebel, I think. Overall, it is a good perfume. So let's rate it. I really am surprised by this perfume. I think I liked it a bit much. I was not expecting that much of quality from this price point. Afnan, I think this is a very good perfume. Turathi Blue. I will show the bottle over here. Very lovely perfume. On my hand, it is kind of like musky, sensual, sweet, elegant, airy kind of perfume. Now the airy part is a bit down. Now it is more of a skin scent right now. I'm not sure about its performance. I think it is not going to last like more than 4 hours right now. Maybe if you keep the bottle and keep it on your shelf, it might, after 2 months it might get more powerful. On the paper, it is more beautiful. I think, in my opinion, on paper it is more beautiful. On my hand, it is kind of like light citrus, light dirty bubblegum. Like if you have used the bubblegum and throw it away, there is a smell from that bubblegum. It is kind of like that. It is like used bubblegum. muskiness, sweetness. It is a overall, it is a well-rounded blue perfume, which is a very good daily driver in my opinion. You can use it in the office, you can use it anywhere. I think age group, you can use it. Anyone who is above like 18 years, they can use it. I think for women, yeah, I think they can wear it, but it is, I think, more suited to the fresh, airy kind of vibe, and it's in the blue scents. It might be good option for men, I think, but not for mature men. I think it is going to, if you want to use some scent in the office, maybe it is a good office scent, yes. So let's give it some numbers now. So Afnan Turathi Electric Blue, I'm going to give it like 8 out of 10 for scent profile. Good scent profile. Start was really good. I would give it 7, I think, because dry down, I didn't like its dry down much. So 7 out of 10 for scent profile. Performance is going to be 6 out of 10. It is, I think, below average or average performance. And if you have used Turathi Electric Blue and you have been hyped and this is so amazing, so good. So this is my honest review about Turathi Electric Blue. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you own this and if you are using this perfume, let me know. You can share your thoughts in the comment section below. I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.